Ex-Grayscale director Phil Bonello predicts a Bitcoin price drop to $52,000, citing market trends and potential correction ahead. Concerns about inflation and geopolitical tensions are driving factors. Stay tuned for updates on this developing situation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So here we are starting off with reminder, they can never beat you if you buy the dips. Presidential advice on the Bitcoin by Nayib Bukele, as he said on his Twitter back in 2021, and they are still holding and buying one Bitcoin every single day. The Bitcoin funding rates are flipping negative now, indicating a huge buying signal. So, China may likely to unban Bitcoin in the upcoming months, experts say. Yesterday, this man bought a 0 Bitcoin, and that's what we have. But he will continue on purchasing later as the outflows will come down and the price will literally drop. Justin Cantor Fitzgerald, CEO, says that the Bitcoin halving was a benefit and Bitcoin will pump over the next 4 years. The Bitcoin spot ETFs have already snatched up 150,500 Bitcoin in just 13 trading days. They are buying at a rate of 12,000 Bitcoin per day. Now let's guess. So, the Bitcoin liquidation heat map spots major clusters at 63,300 and 65,100, signaling a potential for a rapid market shifts. Stay alert to seize emerging opportunities. That's what we have right now. Also, Bitcoin is still protecting its post-halving pre-accumulation range. However, the post-halving danger zone, which is purple, suggests that the price could still see some downside volatility over the next 2 weeks if 2016 history repeats itself, and we might actually drop down to $52,000 through that position over there. So, let's go for more. The former Grayscale director predicts that Bitcoin price plunged to $52,000. Ex-Grayscale director Phil Bonello predicts a Bitcoin price drop to $52,000, citing a recent market trends and a potential correction ahead. So, Phil Bonello suggests that a significant Bitcoin correction amidst concerns about inflation and geopolitical tensions posing threats to the broader crypto market, as the recent drop in Bitcoin's value saw a long liquidations reach nearly $35 million, further fueling the downturn. Insights from Phil Bonello and Michael Van de Poppe. Phil Bonello, in a recent post on X, outlined several crucial points regarding the Bitcoin market, including a potential 20% chance of Bitcoin dropping to 52,000. He cited inflation concerns, fiscal spending trends, and a performance of alternative cryptocurrencies as key factors driving this possibility, and Bonello emphasized that a growing inflation is a significant concern and highlighted ongoing geopolitical tensions and the instability of the yen as a factors expected to impact the crypto market. Moreover, Bonello noted that a recent significant drops in altcoins, with many experiencing over a 50% decline and subsequently retesting support levels. Despite weak Bitcoin ETF flows, he expressed confidence in Bitcoin's resilience in absorbing such movements. He also anticipates substantial increases in ETF activity as the year progresses. Additionally, Bonello pointed out that an open interest in Bitcoin has returned to levels seen when the price was at $50,000, signaling significant drop. Various market indicators such as funding basis and skew currently appear neutral. Furthermore, crypto analyst Michael Van de Poppe echoed Bonello's bearish outlook on Bitcoin, as he suggested a prolonged period of slow sideways movement for the next 3-6 months, anticipating further corrections in the Bitcoin price. However, he anticipates a stronger performance from altcoins during this period of time. Bitcoin price decline in the market activity analysis. The Bitcoin price lost the momentum, dipping below the 63,000 mark on Saturday, April 27th. At the time of writing, Bitcoin crashed 239% to $63,000, despite boasting a massive market cap of $1.23 trillion, so which is $1.230 billion. And alongside the decline, Bitcoin's 24 hours trading volume also saw a significant drop, plummeting by 25% 10% to $23 billion. CoinGlaze reported that longs exacerbated the decline with a $34.6 million in liquidations, accounting for 82% of the $42 million total liquidations recorded in the past 24 hours. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez observed a recent decrease in Bitcoin whale activity since March 14th, which could have contributed to the bearish trend in Bitcoin's trajectory. Martinez further suggested that a surge in whale transactions could potentially ignite a rally in the Bitcoin price. Insights on the potential short squeezes in a crypto market. Crypto market trends have recently been flat, prompting investors to look for signals from various indicators. Despite this apparent stagnation, significant short selling pressure in two altcoins has emerged, raising the possibility of the potential short squeeze in the coming week. Understanding short squeeze dynamics. When investors open a short position in the crypto market, they commit collateral and set a liquidation price above the position's opening price, as this predetermined threshold acts as a trigger for the forced closure of the position and the conversion of the collateral into cash if the underlying asset's index price reaches or exceeds these levels. Additionally, derivative exchanges offer a funding rate in response to the prevailing long-short ratio, a mechanism designed to maintain market balance. Essentially, an increase in short positions results in a short position holders paying interest to long position holders at a funding rate, which incrementally consumes the collateral over the typical 8-hour interest payment cycle, thereby increasing the risk of liquidation. In light of these dynamics, examining funding rates and liquidation heat maps provides valuable insights into the potential emergence of short squeezes in the crypto market, and accordingly, data from CoinGlass highlights two altcoins that could be subject to a short squeeze next week. So BNB and Bitcoin Cash draw attention, as leading these altcoins is BNB, which has faced a significant short pressure following news of Binance's former CEO Changpeng Zhao facing imprisonment in the USA. This development, perceived as a downward trend, has created a significant imbalance in the market, thus bringing a short squeeze scenario for the altcoin in a predominantly downward momentum environment. Specifically, BNB currently has a 5th highest open interest among all the cryptocurrencies and the highest negative funding rate at 56%. Historically, such distinctly negative funding rates have often been the trigger for a short-term price rises characterized by brief rallies. Moreover, Bitcoin Cash also stands out as a potential short squeeze candidate throughout the week, supported by a notable negative funding rate. Currently, shorters in Bitcoin Cash are paying interest to longers at a rate of up to 12%, representing the second highest rate observed among the various altcoins. And the liquidation heat map of Bitcoin Cash indicating two different liquidity zones at ranges of $600 to $650 and above the 700 threshold further strengthens the potential for a short squeeze. So that's kind of what we have on the price. Looking at the price right now, we are in a $63,000 consolidation for already, as I could say, more than 6 hours, around 9 hours consolidation at the $63,000 position, after dropping from 64,000 consolidation down to 62,600 at the lowest. 20% decrease in trading volume, which means that the price might increase afterwards if it's not going to continue on dropping by increasing the trading volume. So that's kind of all the information we have for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.